Bo ja wracam dopiero we wrześniu, po 7 września.
Good morning, service ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your Swiss Airlines HB-IPX to Zurich. We are now ready for boarding and have asked passenger to the business class, also to non-senators and board holders, and passenger with flag stamp ticket, and also passenger with small children to proceed to exit at 17. And after I have asked passengers to go quickly after 36.
Very good day, ladies and gentlemen. Your captain speaking. My name is Thomas Vaden. Today with me on the flight deck, First Officer Nemo Lippulman. Mr. Lippulman will fly you towards Zurich. He will give you some information about the weather in Zurich around 20 minutes before landing. Everybody is on board. We need another few minutes to finish the loading of cargo and luggage. Then we will start our journey. Flight time to Zurich around 1 hour. Hope you feel comfortable on board. Wish you a nice flight.
May we have your attention, please, for the following presentation about safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. It is forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off for takeoff and landing. Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket.
Für weitere Informationen wenden Sie sich bitte an Ihr Kabinenpersonal. Anweisungen der Besatzung und Vorschriften müssen jederzeit befolgt werden. Wir danken für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.
Pour de plus amples informations, veuillez vous adresser à votre personnel de cabine. Les consignes de l'équipage et les directives doivent être respectées en tout temps. Nous vous remercions de votre attention.
Per ulteriori informazioni, la preghiamo di contattare il personale di cabina. Gli ordini impartiti dal personale di bordo e il regolamento devono essere seguiti sempre. La ringraziamo per la sua attenzione.
Sicherheitsgründen bedürftig, dass sich anzuschneiden, wenn immer Sie den Sitzplatz eingenommen haben und das entsprechende Kabinenzeichen eingeschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablage vorsichtig, da Handgepäck herausfallen könnte. Danke. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety, refer to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is switched on. And please open the overhead compartments carefully as luggage to follow. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot from flight deck. We have already scheduled set to crossing the airplane constants and anticipate on-time landing within the next 20 minutes. Zurich report says excellent weather conditions and a temperature of 26 degrees on the centigrade scale. From us, flight deck, I already wish you now please go through.
drahtloser Datenübermittlung müssen jetzt wieder im Flugmodus noch vollständig ausgeschaltet sein. Bitte vergewissern Sie sich, dass Ihr Handgepäck in der Gepäckablage unter dem Vordersitz verstaut ist. Öffnen Sie die Sonnenblende, stellen Sie Ihre Sitzlinie senken und klappen Sie Ihren Tisch zurück. Die Sicherheit an Bordkarte befindet sich in Ihrer Sitztasche. Bitte lesen Sie diese vor der Landung aufmerksam durch. Im unwahrscheinlichen Fall einer Evakuation müssen Sie Ihr Handgepäck zurücklassen. Danke. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask you to return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Please make sure that your electronic devices are securely stored for the landing. Any wireless transmitting equipment has not been set to flight mode or completely switched off. Your hand luggage must be stowed away safely in the overhead compartment and the seat in front of you. Please open the window blinds, put your feet in the upright position and fold away your table. The safety on board card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully prior to landing. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, leave any hand luggage behind. Thank you. von Ihnen und danken, dass Sie mit uns geflogen sind. Wir hoffen, Ihnen hat dieser Flug gefallen und würden sich freuen, Sie bald wieder an Bord eines unserer Flugzeuge begrüßen zu dürfen. Im Namen von Swiss Airlines und der ganzen Besatzung wünsche ich noch einen wunderschönen Tag und guten Aufenthalt hier in Zürich. Besten Dank und auf Wiederschauen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zurich. Please keep your seatbelt fastened if your feet are found packing position. And please open the overhead compartments carefully as luggage could fall out. Thank you. Here in Zurich, we now say goodbye to thank you for flying with us. We hope that everyone enjoys this flight and looking forward to working again soon on board. On behalf of Swiss Airlines and the entire crew, I wish you a pleasant day, wonderful stay here in Zurich. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Okay, crew to some flights.